Hello friends. In this tutorial we are going to learn about searching techniques in data structures. What is searching? Searching is nothing but finding out a particular element or particular thing. What we do in our real life. The same thing we do over here, searching for data using linear search and binary search. We have two types of searching techniques, that is linear and binary searching. So first let's go with linear search. Let's take data elements like 4, 3, 8, 6, 7, 5, 3, 2. Okay, let 1. And we want to search the element 5. We want to search the element 5. That is key element is 5 here, which we want to search, that is key element, that key equal to 5. So in linear search what we do, linear means in a step-by-step process or linearly in a way or in a line. So that way. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So linear search we go linely. So we compare A of 0, whether we check for whether this key element 5 is present in this A of 0 or not. We check with A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4 and A of 5. When we go with A of 5, here we find the element 5. So we say that at A of 5, the key is found. But if the 5 is not present in this array, we need to say that key not found. So if key is found, well and good. If not, we need to say it as key not found. Now let's go with binary search. Binary searching, one thing is elements must be in sorted order. So let's take the elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Elements must be in sorted order. If they are not in the sorted order, we need to sort out the elements and we need to check for the element. That is, we need to search for the element. So for now we take the elements in the sorted order itself. But in binary search, what we do is, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 elements. So 9 by 2. We need to take the median of it. 9 by 2 is 4. 4.5, but this flooring. Floor of 4.5, that is 4. So we take this. As they are in the sorted order, 4. And key element here, let's take 9. We need to check for the 9. So 4. When we go to 4 and we check this, 9 is greater than 5. So if 9 is greater than this 5, we get to know that these all elements are smaller elements. So we don't check this elements. Now again we go with 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 8 by 2. 5 plus 8 is 13 by 2, that is 6.5 floor, so 6. So here 6 is this. And in the A of 6, the value is 7. 7 is less than 9, so we ignore this. We go with 8 and 9. 7 plus 8 by 2 is 15 by 2, that is 7. We go here. And the value in the A of 7 is 8, which is less. So we cut it out. So next only one element is 9 and we say that the 9 is found. So the key is found. So searching techniques have two, linear search and binary search. Linear search, we go in line by line, which is time consuming. That is, we need to go for a of 0 and we need to check 1, again a of 1 and we need to check, a of 2 we need to check. Linear way, it is time consuming. This is one of the disadvantage of linear search. So we go with binary search. In binary search, we see to that all elements are sorted, and binary search is is not that costly process, as we don't check with all the elements, like all the elements in the array. We just check the median and we cut out the remaining things by checking the median, as it is in sorted order. So it is not that costly process, and we no need to check for all the elements, so time is not wasted over here and memory is also not wasted over here. This is the advantage of binary search. So in this way we can search the elements. So if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Please click on the bell icon so that you will get to know about the new videos which we upload. Thank you.